Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Unruly Shana. So today I'm going in the farm to get pumpkin. So yes peeps, you know, that's why I say sometimes it's good for you to do look farming. You know, because when you do look farming, you will have food to eat though. You will have food to eat. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pick a pumpkin to give one of my supporter piece because we have it in. So yeah, there it is. So guys, see me have a lot of pepper here also. I'm gonna pick 2 pepper here as well because she love pepper. She's a woman who love her pepper. So you know, I'm gonna pick a couple peppers here. Same way. Nice hot pepper. We have all different type. You know, I'm gonna give her some pepper as well. Should I bring one little bag? So yeah. Guys, I got one little bag. To get one little bag. So guys, when I'm ready, you know, I out here, so I come pick my pepper them, you know. We do my little eating video, my pepper eating video. So you see, I do my pepper them with natural. These pepper have no fertilizer or anything like that on them. They are just natural. So we have one more pumpkin there, so that one is soon ready too, you know, guys. Yeah, it's soon ready, but the one over there is more ready than the one here. The other one more fitter. So you see, guys, nice, pretty, organic pepper. Yeah, man. So yes, peeps, this is the pumpkin. That is the pumpkin when I say fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right now. So then do it. Well, it come off. Come here, pumpkin. So yeah, I have a nice fit pumpkin here, so. Heavy, man. Whoa, nice pumpkin, guys. Coming straight from the farm. Yeah, and it is organic. No fertilizer, no nothing like them, something there. Yeah, no catch the pumpkin here. Yeah, man. Phew. Whoa. So I bet you are supposed to know what is this. So I have some of them, some here, them single Bible here good for wash ear, and it good for many other little things. So yeah, man. But guys, see pumpkin here and see our pepper them better. Yeah, man. So yes, guys, this is what I just harvested from my farm. And we also have more up here, see me, but it's a nice size pumpkin, bro. So guys, I'm gonna cut the pumpkin now and let you see how inside of it look. So yeah. Oh god. So I'm gonna cut it now. You know it's kinda hard to cut. No. Wow, bumba. No man, look the guys. Look how the pumpkin well fit. Look there. Look there. Guys, as me juke it there, so look there. Look how the pumpkin split, gone all the way. So you know, say fit, you know, guys, well fit. And let me tell you, in this a pumpkin a look yellow. Look at that. Pretty. Guys, the pumpkin yellow like a curry. Let me see. Mom, pull out back the knife out of it, look there. The pumpkin just has split up and go on, but may I cut it one way and it has split go another way. Look how it split up. So you know it's a pumpkin well fit. Yeah, man. Well fit pumpkin. And the other one must well fit too. So guys, hold on there. Let me see if I can get something. So yes, please. See that? Alright. Look at this, guys, straight from the farm. This is coming. Nice organic pumpkin. No fertilizer, nothing like that. Pretty. So yes, I'm giving her a piece of this pumpkin here. Yeah. Phew. So then pepper here. So this is our pumpkin and pepper. So yes, peeps. Look at that. Pretty yellow pumpkin. My name was I say pretty, you know. And then yeah, this a fear pepper because it's a woman who love pepper too. She love pepper like me. See her there? Her name is Valerie, and you guys must know her because she also sell almond in Castle Garden, same place where me live. So anytime we not pass, she and her daughter sell almond. You must stop and buy from them. Support them, are good people. Me know her from my little girl. Yeah man, I love Valerie man. I'm Ella, you see me? Yeah man, for real. Yeah man, so big up yourself Valerie. Me Ella or later. Yeah man. You say I cook soup? Can't get some of my soup or you cook pumpkin rice? So yes peeps, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl and the channel. Yeah man, so all my viewers, all my subscribers, I want to big up on myself. You see? Yeah, I'm out.